So how to make Ghibli Studio with your iPhone easily, and it's free. Open ChatGPT. If you already have ChatGPT, then just open ChatGPT, or you can search ChatGPT on your Android Android or Apple browser. I already have. And if you don't have or don't want to download, just open Chrome and just add a tab and enter here ChatGPT. So this is the ChatGPT. So you have to log in first. Log into with your Gmail account or Apple ID. So I already log in. Now enter your plus icon, press on camera to take a photo, or if you already have gallery, then open gallery, select any photo. For example, I am selecting this photo. No, this photo. Then press on add and just write this prompt. I will give you my description box, and once done, press on next, and now it's getting started. So you have to give some time. It's almost creating, it's generating. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.